I'm Mike, and thank you for visiting BuyAutoParts today. It's our goal to make it easy for you to buy auto parts. So I'd like to tell you a few things about us and this part so you can make a confident purchase. Here's a closer look at this part, which is a drop-in replacement with factory mounting and connections. This part has been meticulously cataloged and carefully inspected for quality, which means it's guaranteed to fit your vehicle. BuyAutoParts has been selling parts for over 25 years. We've been online since 2001, and we've continued to grow as a result to our commitment to the highest quality parts, excellent customer service, and unbeatable prices. This part comes with the best warranty in the industry and the support of our American Auto Parts specialists here to assist you at 888-907-7225, only at BuyAutoParts, where all orders over $50 ship for free. Click to place your order with confidence now, and you'll find out why so many do-it-yourselfers, shops, and dealers all over the country and world have found us to be their reliable part supplier of choice for years. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We'll be more than happy to help you.